Manchester City, Manchester United. What's this? I pledged for you guys. I pledged for you. I said in my prediction, I said Manchester United are going to be the second in the table. But what's this I'm seeing? Hull City are winning 2-0 as of 56 minutes. What's up? Mokari, you better level up, oh. Guy. Even though we know that teams like this, teams like this, especially teams that are just promoted from the relegation, championship, that are just promoted from relegation are sometimes are very difficult to beat. But Hull City, guys, 2-0. What happened to 2-1, 3-2, 4-2, 4-3? At least register a goal now. Why 2-0 at 56 minutes? I beg, go carry it, level up, I beg.